Okay. Um, Good morning, everyone. My name is Josimar Ramani. I am from Peru and I am 35 years old. I am currently studying system engineering at university and I also work in technology. One important fact about me is that I really enjoy music and photography in my free time. I play electric guitar as a hobby and I like learning new things about software development and audiovisual production. I am a responsible and calm person. I am also very curious, so I always try to improve my skills. Uh, my family is very important to me. My mother is hardworking and kind. I have friends who are supportive and funny. My best friend is very creative and he is always motivated to start new projects. Every day I wake up at around 6:30 in the morning. First, I take a shower and prepare breakfast. Then, I check my phone and read my emails. After that, I start working or studying. I usually spend many hours programming because I develop applications and systems. In the afternoon, I sometimes attend online classes or practice with new technologies. At night, I relax a little. I often listen music or play the guitar. Sometimes I watch videos about photography or technology. Before sleeping, I usually organize my tasks for the next day. Uh, my possessions. I have a laptop, a MIDI keyboard, and an audio interface because I like music production. Um, my laptop is very important for my studies and work. I also have cameras and other accessories for photography. My guitar is one of my very favorite possessions because my music helps me relax. Uh, Likes and dislikes. I like technology, music, and creative activities. I love playing the electric guitar and taking photos. I also enjoy learning programming language like Go and TypeScript. However, I do not like wasting time or doing repetitive activities without a purpose. My habit. I always study or work during the week. I usually practice guitar at night and sometimes go out with friends on weekends. I rarely wake up late because I prefer having an organized routine. I never smoke and I hardly ever drink alcohol. Now I want to include some questions and answers about my daily life and the people around me. Mm, where do I study? Um, I study system engineering at university. What does my best friend do? He works in design and creates digital content. Does my mother work every day? Yes, she does. Do my friends like technology? Yes, they do. Some of them also study engineering. What time do I usually wake up? I usually wake up at 6 past 3 in the morning. Who is the funniest person in my family? My younger cousin is the funniest person in my family. In conclusions, I am a person who enjoys learning, creating, and improving every day. I believe that discipline and patience are very important in my life. Thank you very much for listening.